Hello, students. Welcome to another episode of Shoaib's Media Lesson. And today we will be studying color schemes. In the past few lectures, I have taught you about different color schemes. For example, we have studied about monochromatic in the last class, and today we will be studying about complementary color scheme. Complementary color schemes. They are a wonderful color scheme, and complementary colors are the opposite on the color wheel, provided a high contrast. In this color scheme, we already have studied about the color wheel, and the students have drawn the color wheels practically in their classes. So, in complementary color schemes, we will be using two opposite colors on the color wheel. All those colors which are opposite on the color scheme can be used in complementary color scheme along with the tints and shades of that particular colors. For example, in complementary color scheme, we can use red along with green because red and green are opposite on the color wheel as shown on the screen. Same with you can use a red orange with blue green, that is also known as sea green. So these two colors are the opposite to each other and they can be used in this color scheme. The third one can be orange. Orange can be taken along with blue, and orange and blue will be considered one as a primary color and one as a secondary color. So primary and secondary color can be used as a complementary color because they are completely opposite to each other. The next color scheme which can be used is a yellow orange with blue purple. You can use blue purple along with yellow orange. Then with the yellow you can use purple, that is violet. Yellow green can also be used with red violet, which is red purple. So this is how you will use different color schemes on placed on the color wheel so that it will give you a bright view, so that it will give you a noticeable view. So this is a beautiful color scheme which make you noticeable. If you will wear the clothes based on the primary or based on the complementary color scheme, you will find yourself noticeable in the party. And the complementary color schemes are also widely used in film during costume and for the set design. When you guys will be studying art direction, I will be teaching you about this complementary theory which have been applied in the films. And if you would like to check it up, if you would like to check the practical exposure of these theories in a film, you can find a video in my art direction folder, and there is a video by complementary color schemes in the art direction segment, in which you will find different examples of Hollywood films in which these complementary color schemes have been used. Okay, checking out few examples of the complementary color scheme. They In this painting you will find a blue and orange color have been used along with the tints and shades, along with the different values of the colors. So this is there are only two colors which have been used in this color scheme, and these two colors are blue and orange. Along with their tints and shades, you can find their values, you can find their tints, you can find their shades, and this is completely a complementary color scheme. Then this is a beautiful scenario of a complementary color scheme. You can see red with green, you can see orange with the blue, you can find purple with yellow, and these are the complementary colors which were placed on the color scheme, which were placed on the color wheel opposite to each other. So they are more high contrasting colors. Checking out another example, this is a beautiful painting. Complementary colors have been used, two opposite have been used, and the best part is that not only the two opposite have been used, but their tints and shades and their values have also been used in these painting. Checking out another painting, a complementary example of a red and green with along with their tints and shades, and a beautiful scenario have been shown in this painting as well. Same complementary opposite colors along with their tints and shades, opposite colors along with their tints and shades have been shown in these paintings. So this is how two opposite colors have been used along with the tints and shades of their painting have been used in this scenario. So complementary colors are more noticeable, complementary colors are more you can say, accurate, and complementary colors are more adorable. You will find them more attractive. Complementary colors are practically used in the form of art. And if you want to find out the practical application of complementary color, you will find out in a very depthful manner in films. फिल्म्स में बेटा क्या होता है कि जब आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कलर्स यूज करने होते हैं, तो आपको फिल्म के अंदर कोई टर्निंग पॉइंट होता है, फिल्म के अंदर कोई एडोरेबल पॉइंट होता है, कोई अट्रैक्टिव पॉइंट होता है, कोई सेट होता है, कोई कैरेक्टर का कॉस्ट्यूम होता है, इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर का कॉस्ट्यूम होता है, प्रोटैगनिस्ट कैरेक्टर्स जो होते हैं फिल्म में, हमेशा फॉर द प्रोटैगनिस्ट कैरेक्टर्स वी विल बी यूजिंग these complementary color schemes so that we can make our character more bright, we can make our character more attractful. So complementary colors have been widely used not only in films but in advertising as well. And in advertising, you can find out a couple of brands for their television commercials. They used complementary color scheme. So now onward, whenever you will watch any film, Hollywood or international cinema particularly, or if you will watch any commercial, do focus on the color scheme of that commercial. I hope you have understood the complementary color scheme, and in the upcoming lectures, I will be explaining you the further concepts of the color schemes. So until then, I'm signing out. Take good care. Bye bye.